Anyway, let's get into some of this nonsense. Okay, so where do we even start with this shit? Okay. Okay, so this is the LEM, the Landing Modular 1969. This clump of tents, REI tents put together, stitched together with floss, the walls of which are a couple of sheets of saran wrap. This thing allegedly broke away from Central Command, made it all the way through the Van Allen belts, and just landed itself right on the moon. Feet like a cat. Look at those little feet. No shocks. There's no shocks there. It's just poles. Poles that just land right on the moon. Just land, and then they make a phone call. Okay. Consider what this looks like. Look at it. Just look at it. Take it in. Okay. Now let's hear from NASA about the construction of said REI tent.
Construction of the LEM. Hold on a second. The skin on the crew cabin was very thin, and that was all done because of weight savings. Weight was a very critical item that always had to be considered in anything that you did. If you really took your finger and poked hard at it, you could poke right through the outer skin of the spacecraft.
Really?
Thickness of 2 layers of aluminum foil. But it's the kind of thing that you were reasonably cautious that you didn't jam any pointed objects through. Okay. Hold on, one more. The skin, the aluminum alloy skin of the crew compartment was about 12 thousandths of an inch thick. That's equivalent to about 3 layers of Reynolds wrap that you would use in the kitchen. As they're trying to tell us that those guys...
Okay. Now, let's just look at... I'm not going to say anything. Let's just look at the pressure differential between Earth, where we are, the fact that we can breathe, and the vacuum of space, which is 10 to the negative 17 torr. For those of you who don't understand what that means, we'll put it in robot language.
A level is 1013.25 mbar. The pressure in interstellar space is approximately 0.000000000000133 mbar. Space is 0.000000000000133 mbar. Earth's atmosphere is 1013.25 mbar. The difference in pressure is 76 quintillion, 184 quadrillion, 210 trillion, 526 billion, 315,789,474 times. You know exactly.
Okay. I'll just show a picture of that. No scientismo, NASA fanboy, screeching little gamma male who bought too many NASA t-shirts can make any sense of that at all. Just because you don't understand doesn't mean it's not possible. No, it's demonstrably not possible. Even this guy, Brian Cox, I put a Lapsa doggy on my head and now I'm a science boy. This guy went to the largest man-made vacuum chamber somewhere. I think it's it could be in the United States, could be it doesn't matter. And that chamber just barely is different, just barely different than Earth's pressure. Just barely. And They had to build 8-foot walls thick so that it didn't affect the chamber and didn't pull. Think about that.